Ramadan is a special time for growing your faith through Tauheed, the belief in the oneness of Allah, and Risalat, the acceptance of the prophethood of Muhammad. This month encourages deep reflection, prayer, and community engagement, enhancing one's spiritual journey. As families gather to break their fast, the sense of community and shared blessings enhances the spirit of Ramadan. Engaging in prayers and acts of kindness deepens the understanding of Tauheed and Risalat, allowing individuals to strengthen their bond with Allah and His Messenger.